Hello everybody! It is Mr. Cognetti from Citizenship Academy, and today we're going to do another math lesson, and we are doing Module 1, Lesson 15, okay? We've seen this on our board before. We are going to practice counting by tens, and today I'm going to keep the numbers up there and point to them as we say them, so we can see them and say them and get better and better and better at it. Because next time I might start with the numbers, but after we do once, I might take them away. But don't worry, today, we're just gonna be looking at the numbers and counting by 10. But I do wanna go a little faster today, okay? So be ready to say these numbers when I point to them, okay? Let's do it. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. All right, was that too fast? Hope not. I want to keep it at that speed, okay? If it was too fast, let's try it again. Here we go. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Yeah, getting better at it? Do you think you can do it this fast? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Maybe. If you can, that's awesome. Let's do it one more time, but this time, I'm not just gonna stop at 100. Once we say 100, we're gonna say 100 again, and then we're gonna count backwards, all the way down to 0, okay? Let's do that one. Here we go. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. 100, 90, 80, 70, 60, 50, 40, 30, 20, 10, 0. All right, how'd we do? That was pretty good. Okay, let's move on. So yesterday, we worked with number problems where we were finding 2 more and 3 more than a given number. We're going to be working with just finding 3 more today. And there's going to be 2 methods we're working on. We are going to work on the count on method, just counting on with our fingers. And then we're going to work with the count on method where we are drawing a picture and counting those circles. Okay? So our first one is going to be 5 plus 3 equals something. We gotta figure that out. Okay, so the number we're starting with is 5. I'm not gonna draw any circles under that because I know that number already. I know how many there are. That's the bigger number. That's the one I'm gonna be putting in my head. This is the number we're counting on by. That's 3. So if I were to draw a picture to help me solve this one, I'm gonna draw 3 circles underneath it. So there's my 3 circles, and I need to add those onto my 5. So I'm going to count from 5, and then I'm going to count these 3, okay? Let's put 5 in our head, and then we'll count the circles as I point. Let's do it. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. All right. So we got 8. We think 8 is our answer. Do you think we're correct? I do. I think we're correct. But I want to solve it the other way just to double check ourselves. It's always good to check yourself with another method in math just to make sure you didn't make any mistakes. So instead of counting circles this time, I'm going to count fingers. So instead of drawing 3 circles, you're going to put 3 fingers up. Go ahead and do that now. Now we're going to put 5 in our head and then count these 3 fingers. Ready? Let's do it. 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, we got the same answer. We got 8 both ways. So 8, I think, is correct. We are right. All right, how are we feeling about that? Feel good? Not good? Hopefully, it's here or somewhere in the middle. If your thumb's down, that's okay, because we're going to keep on practicing. All right? Let's do another one. Let me erase this. I'll leave the +3 because we're going to add that on. Let's start with, let's go with, Well, let's do 3. Let's find out what 3 plus 3 is. All right, so my first method I want to do is I want to start by drawing the picture. Now, we can't really ask ourselves which one's bigger because they're both the same size. They're equal. So I'm going to take this one. I'm going to say that's the one I'm going to put in my head, and I'm going to draw 3 circles underneath this one. So I need to add those on to my original 3. So let's put 3 in our head and count when I point to each circle. Circle. Ready? Do it with me. 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So we think 6 is our total or our whole. Well, I think we're right, but let's double check with our other method. Instead of drawing 3 circles, we are going to put 3 fingers up. Okay? So keep those fingers up and let's put 3 in our head. Let's do it. Ready? 3, 4, 5, 6. Did we get the same answer? Yes, we did. We got 6 again doing it that way, so we must be correct. 3 plus 3 is 6. That's a good doubles fact to memorize. It's a great fact to memorize that 3 plus 3 equals 6. Okay? If you guys can memorize that, awesome job. Let's do another one. Let's do 7 plus 3. Okay, 7 plus 3. So, what number do you think I'm going to draw circles under? I want to draw circles under the smaller number because I want to put the bigger number in my head. So which number is smaller, 7 or 3? 3 is smaller. So let's draw the circles under the 3. How many circles am I going to draw? 3 of them. 1, 2, 3. All right. So those are the circles that I want to add on to 7. So let's put 7 in our head, 3 fingers up, right? Let's start with that 3. Oh, wait. No, we're not doing the finger method yet. Hold on. That's to check our work. Ready? We're going to put 7 in our head and count these circles as I point to them. Let's do it. 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, all right. 10. Since our total is 10, can anybody think of another method on top of our counting on method with fingers that we can double check our answer here? We did it as a warm-up before. We'll come back to that. Let's try it counting on with our fingers. All right, so we're going to put 3 fingers up because that's how many we're counting on by. And we're going to put 7 in our head. Ready? 7, 8, 9, 10. So we got 10 that way too. Awesome. All right, did anybody remember that other method we could try to double check our work? It's called the 10 and tuck method. So if we have our 10 fingers out here and our both hands up, our first number is 7. So we're going to put 7 fingers up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this whole hand is up. 6, 7. So you have 5 and 2. All right, now to see how many added on to 7 makes 10, we're going to count how many fingers we have down. Do I have any fingers down on this hand? Nope, they're all up. So we're going to count these fingers. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh, so 7 plus 3 equals 10. Awesome job. Another way of checking our work to make sure we were correct. Great job. Let's do one more practice problem. All right. Let's do a bigger number. How about 9? We're going to start with 9, find out what 3 more than 9 is, and go, and then we'll check our work with a couple different methods. So, looking up here, I want to draw a picture under it. Is 9 the biggest number or is 3 the biggest number? If I have 9 crayons and you have 3 crayons, who's got a bigger pile of crayons? I do. So 9 must be bigger. So that means that's the number I'm going to put in my head, and this is the number I'm going to draw under. So let's draw 3 circles underneath our 3, just like the last couple problems we've done. And let's put 3 fingers up. Sorry, that's the next method. I messed that up again. We're going to put 9 in our head and count these 3 circles. Ready? Let's do it. 9, 10, 11, 12. Oh, we're getting up there in numbers now. So we think that our answer is 12. All right, let's double check our answers by using our count on method with our fingers. So again, we're going to put 9 in our head and count 3 more. So put 3 fingers up, because those are the extra ones we're counting. And get ready to put 9 in your head. Let's do it. 9, 10, 11, 12. Awesome job. We got the same answer. So 9 circles plus these 3 more circles equals 12. And that's a big number. So good job counting all the way up to there. So on your exit ticket and on your quiz, you're going to see a lot of problems like this. That I believe in the directions. I say don't draw a picture. If you absolutely need to draw a picture, please do to help you solve the problem. But if you don't, I suggest you use your fingers to count on, because we are always going to have our fingers to help us count on. We might not have something with us to write with. So if you need to add numbers quickly, you can use your fingers to help. Okay? Great work. You guys are awesome, just like always. And I will see you guys soon for our next math lesson. Have a great day, everybody. Bye.